Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, and I have another vegan cheese review. I have not had this Violife smoked Gouda, just like smoked Gouda, round slices, 100% vegan. I have had the Follow Your Heart, and I liked it a lot, and so I thought I would try this with some pickled grapes. And these are spicy pickled grapes, and they're really good. I will put the recipe on my blog and link it in the description. I thought pickled grapes would be fun because I used to really like to eat either slices of Gouda or Munster with just plain red grapes. So I thought, well, the pickled grapes, they might be a nice upgrade from the usual. So here I go. Mm-hmm. I don't usually like sweet pickles, but these are very, very good. You put some sorry. They're full of vinegar. It's one of the reasons why I don't like really quick pickles, because they're usually soaked in vinegar. I did use champagne vinegar for this, which is not as strong. But it's got cinnamon sticks, it's got some allspice in it, ginger, as well as the grapes, and 3 different kinds of peppers. This one's a mild pepper. The red ones are not as mild, and neither are the jalapenos. There's jalapenos in there. Sugar and vinegar. I used monk fruit sugar rather than cane sugar. And red grapes and green grapes. And the green grapes are those cotton candy grapes. Here I am reviewing a cheese and talking about the pickle, but the pickle's really good. The cheese, this cheese is not as good as the Follow Your Heart Gouda. And, they've stopped carrying, locally they've stopped carrying almost all of the Follow Your Heart stuff in favor of the Dea, which is just plain gross. So it's kind of depressing. So I thought I would try this, but this is not as good. You can't eat it plain. You definitely have to have something like this to go with it. Or, a sandwich with lots of veggies. These got a good smoky flavor. Not quite as tangy as I remember Gouda to be. You could probably cook with it, because all of the Violife cheeses melt really well. But they're not that good on their own, which is kind of what I've been looking for. Anyway, still I'd recommend it, especially if all you can get is Dea and this definitely wins. I still like Follow Your Heart the best. But anyway, and if you want to try this pickle, spicy pickled grapes, they're really, really good. I'm surprised at how good they are. I've never made them before. I thought, well, I'm going to try them. And I really like them. So, uploads every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community posts Monday and Friday. If I make a short, put them up on Wednesday. I will also link to the previous video to this, and link to the recipe. All in the description. You're going to have to press more now because hardly anything shows up in the description anymore. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I will see you later, guys.